Okay, so I brought you guys back here to the service department because I want to show you the #1 engine killer, and that is literally an air filter. Now this is a clean Can-Am air filter factory for the Mavar. What I'm gonna do is pull out the dirty one in this and show you the difference and why it's so important to maintain these guys to keep that motor running smooth. So there is dirty and there is clean. Okay, so you saw this is the dirty one, meaning it's not that it's bad, but the point being is you need to clean these guys out because again, this is what gets in, clogs everything up. But of course, besides air filters, which you know we have here, from oil changes to even the correct tire pressure can make a huge difference in your car. Okay, so now you know the importance of that filter check and potential filter changes. And always remember, stay with that OEM filter just in case warranty is needed. That may or may not void it, and you want to make sure you stay with that. And of course, click on those links, scroll through, find the one that'll work for you. And last but not least, one of my favorite is the particle separator. Works fantastic, keeps everything clean. Your air filter will thank you in the long run. So again, check it out. We'll be happy to help out.